Welcome back to my channel for this fall clean with me. I am so excited to finally be starting all of my autumn motivation. In today's fall clean with me, I'm working through areas that only get done seasonal and places that really need some TLC. Don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss all of my autumn videos still to come, and let's just jump straight into it. So I'm starting off today by cleaning all of the blinds and the windows. I didn't realise how much I had neglected this window back here, so it definitely needs a good clean. I'm going to go throughout and do the patio doors as well because they don't really get done as often as they should. And these blinds, I don't think they've been done since I've done my spring clean, so it's definitely a seasonal thing. I should probably try and do them at least weekly, but it never seems to happen. It's normally monthly, so I am just going to go through and give them a good clean.
To build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me. Sorry you have changed now, but it's the same old story. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold.
I never realised how dirty those blinds get, but they must be quite filthy because whenever I clean them, that corner always feels so much more fresh and clean, so they must have been really bad to start with. So I'm really glad that I've got that done. I'm now going to start cleaning off the windowsill and also the little cabinet in the corner, and I'm going to be getting rid of a few things or just moving them in different areas of the house because I feel like that windowsill is a little bit too cluttered for my liking. So I'm going to get rid of stuff and try and give it a good declutter.
Tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. Have to get over you again. Have to get over you. I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in. When I begin to get myself together again, you are back once more like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend.
Now that space is feeling so much better, I'm just going to move on to the patio doors. These do get done more than seasonal, but it's still only every couple of months. It's never every week, and they do get quite fingerprinty and marked because we do use the door every single day. So I do need to try and keep on top of these, especially because they're white as well. They do get filthy really quickly. So I'm just going to go around with my Method glass spray and give them a good wipe over.
Some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Crazy world, I feel like
Next up on my to-do list is sorting out the hallway. As you can imagine, this is the filthiest part of the house because obviously we're always in and out and everything just gets messed up so quickly. So I am going to start off by doing the lampshade. I not long done the one upstairs, so this one really did need doing. I always do them with the lint roller because it's just so quick and easy to do, and it gets rid of all of the dust and everything on there. Super simple. So I'm going to go through, get all of that off, and then tackle the doors, the skirting boards, and also the carpet where we keep walking in and out, and just trying to get the hallway nice, clean and fresh. If you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel for lots more autumn motivation, decorate with me, decluttering and organisation still to come here on this channel. I post every Tuesday and Thursday at 12 o'clock and I would absolutely love for you to be part of the family.
Tonight we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right.
I love how everything feels after a good deep clean, especially when I do the skirting boards and the banisters and everything. It just feels so fresh. Do let me know down in the comments how often you do your skirting boards, if you do it seasonally or weekly or monthly. I would love to know. And also let me know if you decorate for autumn. I will be this year, but it will be the first year that I have ever decorated. So do make sure you subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss my autumn decor.
That we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight,
Cleaning the doors and the skirting boards can make such a huge difference in a room. Even though you don't think it's dirty before you do it, the room will feel so much more fresh once you've finished. So I definitely recommend doing this every season. I think I last did it during my spring clean, so now I'm doing it for the start of my autumn clean, and I probably won't do it again now until the new year or around Christmas time, but I just love how it feels once it's all done. So I'm just going to go around the living room doing the doors and the skirting boards before I move on to dusting and hoovering and making everything come together and nice and fresh.
But now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. There will be a time when you and me finally can talk. If you speak now, your words will only tear us apart. I pray.
Don't forget to go and give me a follow over on Instagram as well if you want some more daily motivation, instant tap to cleans, behind the scenes of the videos, and also what I get up to in my day-to-day life. That is all over on my Instagram. I will leave the link down in the description below.
Wanna play pretend, and you decide if you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me so I won't speak right now, 'cause words will tear us apart. I pray to God I find a way to mend my broken heart. Yeah, wanna show you a new place to start, place to start. But you decide if you wanna play pretend. And you decide if you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me
It's now time to hoover up the carpet cleaner that I used earlier when I was doing the entrance hallway. I do use the Vanish Gold carpet cleaner. I think it's amazing. It gets everything up that I need it to. I've even spilled a little bit of red wine on the carpet before, and that came up instantly without any problems as well. So it's definitely a product that I will continue to buy. So I'm just going to go around and give everything a good hoover in the hallway and also in the living room, and just get everything nice and fresh for the day.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't know.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed this first autumn clean with me. There's lots more autumn videos to come throughout September and October. So if you do want to stick around to see what I've got coming up, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you back here in the next one.
But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely.